Hello children, so I'm gonna make this video about the review for the test on Wednesday. First of all, let me give a shout out to all those children that actually gave me a written request. I think it was for Edson from 4th period, so shout out to him. I'm gonna say it was Aldo also from 4th period, and not really sure. I think there was a lot of people from 4th period that really wanted a shout out, so shout out to 4th period, everyone in 4th period. And then Stephanie wanted a TBH, so let's do this. TBH, you are kind of like a bully, but you're still really nice. You can still make friends, so that's a good sign. But yes, there it is. Now, to the real math world, let's start with our review. There's only 2 questions on this test. The reason for that is because it takes a while to solve, especially if you're not really sure what to do. But let me try to do this as quickly as I can. First question says, Victoria is playing a new video game in which the object of the game is to find hidden treasures. To do so, she must travel through several levels, clashing with guards and watchdogs. In one part of the journey, Victoria must pass through 2 gates, Gate 1 and Gate 2, to get to the next level. The Venn diagram is given below. Now, a lot of you guys are still struggling thinking that she has the option. She doesn't have the option to go through one gate or the other. She has to go through both gates if she wants to get to the next level. Okay? So, with that in mind, let's do our tree diagram. Now, first of all, she has to start somewhere. So let's give her a starting point. She's going to start, and then eventually she's going to hit gate 1. Gate 1 is either going to be open or closed. Okay? Remember, this is just talking about gate 1. Now, if I look on the Venn diagram, this whole circle is for gate 1. Everything in there is gate 1, so 10 plus 10, that is 20%. So 20% of the time, gate 1 is open. Now, these branches need to add up to 100%. So I'm missing 80%. 80% of the time, gate 1 is closed. Now, if gate 1 is open, the other gate could still be either open or closed. Okay. If gate 1 is closed, the gate could still be either open or closed on the other side. Okay. Now, given that gate 1 is open, I need to figure out what the probability is for gate 2 to be open. So, the way I'm going to do that is, first of all, what is the probability that they are both open? So, open, open. You notice that? That is 10%. So I'm going to do, let's say I'm going to call that x. When I multiply this one times x, that is going to give me 10%. So 0.20x, oh, that's an ugly 2. I'm sorry, but it's a 2. 0.20x equals 0.10. Again, the 0.20 is coming from here, the x from here, and the 10 from here. Okay? I'm going to solve that by dividing. So I'm going to divide by 0.20. X equals 0.50. Now the reason I'm putting 0.50 is because people get confused. They see 0.5 and they think it's 0.05, but it's 0.50. That means that's 50%. So this is 50%. I need those branches to add up to 100, so this one's also going to be 50%. Now, given that gate 1 is closed, I need to figure out what the other probabilities are. Both of the gates are closed 60% of the time. Okay? Both gates are closed 60% of the time. That means when I multiply 80 times, let's call that y, I am going to get 60%. So I'm going to do 0.80 times y equals 0.60. Divide that by 0.80, divide that by 0.80 to cancel it out. So y equals 0.75. That means this is 75%. I need those branches to add up to 100%, so this one over here is 25%. And this is what my tree should look like. Now, the nice thing about the questions on this review is that you don't really need the tree to answer them. If you just look at the Venn diagram, it makes it a whole lot easier. So we're going to do that. Hopefully you copied that down. If not, then just pause the video. Simple as that. Question number 2 says, what is the probability that both gates are open when Victoria reaches this part of the game? So, how can I do it so that I can keep that? For question 2, it's asking me that they are both open. So that means I'm looking at this simple little 10% right there. So 10% of the time, they are both open. Okay, that's it. Let's look at question number 3. The probability that neither gate is open. So neither gate, that's this right there. Neither gate is open 60% of the time. So this would be 60, oh, what am I doing? 60%. Probability that Victoria finds exactly one gate open. I'm just going to kind of draw it out again so we can see it. There was a 10% here and a 20% there. This means only gate 1, only gate 2. 10 plus 20, that is 30% for question number 4. Questions are very, very simple. You don't really have to do much. Just look at the Venn diagram. Let's go on to the next one. The next one's actually kind of crazy. And you know what? I'm going to try to make these videos kind of short. So I'm going to stop this video now. And I'm going to do question 2 on another video. So watch the other video for the other.